Okay, so yes, so we were here. Toto was a pretty monkey. His eyes were bright, sparkled, mischief beneath deep set of eyebrows, and his teeth, which were pearly white, were often displayed in a smile that frightened. This monkey eyes. He goes like that. He opens his eyes, pearly white teeth. When he's going to show his teeth, his eyes used to close. And smile in such a like that. Elderly Anglo-Indians and monkeys know who to scare and who not to. They're very clever. From that clan only we came in, isn't it? So the naughtiness has stayed with us. But his hands looked dried up as they had been pickled in the sun for many years. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked, and his tail, while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed that a tail would add to anyone's good look. So we also generally in our past actually we would have or already have been having tails, and which has changed, and we have come into human beings, the evolution of the humans. Also served as a third hand. He could use it to hang from branches, and it was capable of scooping up any delicacy that might be out of reach of his hands. So what is the use of this? Grandfather saying it's believed that tail could be anyone's good looks. And if you have a tail, it won't mind. People used to have those long tail coats before. Girls also wear these long dresses. It looks like a tail at the back. But it's not that. The monkeys used it as a third hand for, they could hang from branches. You know what monkeys are, so I don't have to go class 9. I don't have to say so much. But anyways, it's my duty to share. So they twirl their tail on the branch or any rod or anywhere, and they hang down, which they can't get. It helps that extra mile to go ahead and get things for them to be done. And grandmother always fussed when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's present should be kept a secret from her until she was in particularly good mood. So grandfather and I put away him in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, there where he was tied securely. Or so we thought to peg a fastened. We thought to a peg fastened into the wall. So there was we have these hooks on the wall of pegs. You tie that string and keep him inside the closet. They thought of doing that, but they kept him inside the closet. Closet is on the shelves. You have shelves on the wall already built in, and then it's covered with wood frame. Those are called closets, and you can have wooden closets also. You can have closets in the wall. Okay, so these are it's called a wardrobe actually. So closets where you keep your clothes, your everything. So generally when we bring something odd which is not allowed in the house, the senior person like the grandma or your mom or my mom, I used to bring dogs. I used to bring roadside dogs home when I was a kid. The small dogs I used to stay on the road. I used to put them on my cycle basket and bring them home, and mother used to shout, "We have already so many dogs in the house." I said, "If you have got dogs in the house, what's the problem in having another one?" "Okay, you will take care of it." I used to say, "I'm going to take care of it." 2 days taking care, third day my mother is taking care. Will she go to school, do her office work, or do what? Or we should take care of the business, or we should take care of the dogs. So again, keep another person for that. So whatever. So all served as so grandmother already always fussed about it. So they tried to keep it away in a hiding place, so that when grandmother's mood is good, they are going to go ahead and tell her. A few hours later, when grandfather and Ruskin Bond came back to release Toto, he found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by grandfather. Actually foreigners in abroad, or actually they have this thing of wallpaper, but also in the hilly areas this customs has been followed. Anglo-Indians like to put wallpaper on their wall. We still get wallpaper everywhere. Also in Muzaffarpur you get wallpaper. Interior designers, they put a wall, you plaster of Paris your wall, then they put wallpapers, so you get that effect whatever you want out there. Takes care of the wall, your house looks good also. So anyways, they didn't have wallpaper. Some other pearl type wallpaper was put there, and they saw that devastated. Only they can see a naked brick and plaster on the wall. The peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket, means wherever it was been pushed in on the sockets you have, it was pulled out from there. And his school blazer, Ruskin Bond's school blazer, which had been hanging there, was torn into pieces. I wonder what grandmother would say, but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's performance. Grandfather was very happy. He said, "This is what actually a monkey is. If a monkey is not naughty, then what's the use? Like you children, if you don't do naughtiness, if you are not mischievous, It won't be good. This is the time. This life will never come back. But for a monkey, 24/7, he is always into his mischievous games. Okay, but grandfather obviously liked his performance. He's clever, said grandfather. Given time, I'm sure he could have tied the torn pieces of your pleasure into a rope and made his escape from the window. He said, if time, even the brains which he has, he can open up everything and tear up everything, could have made a rope and gone out from the window also. But his presence was still a secret in the house. Toto was now transferred into a big cage in the servants' quarters, where a number of grandfather's pets lived sociably together. A tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while, his pet goat. Ruskin Bond had a goat, but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. So grandfather, who had to leave for Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur, decided to take him along. So he said, what to keep the monkey here? Let me take him along with me. I'll take him with me to Dehradun and get his pension. So now the animals which were there in his were living together was the tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while his pet goat. And the monkey won't allow any other. He was making hell out there. He was creating a great ruckus and total naughtiness, pulling this animal's tail, that animal's tail, and this all was going on there. So his grandfather decided to take him with him. So unfortunately, I could not accompany grandfather on the trip, but he told me about it afterwards. A big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. This, with some straw at the bottom, became his new abode, his new place of stay. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. A canvas bag, for keeping animals, you get canvas big bags, they are a bit strong on the corners and all, so that you can keep animals inside it. So he was not able to do anything. He could not jump out. He could not do anything. Excuse me. The only thing which was there was some straw at the bottom of it. I showed my finger because I was reading from there, so it's kept in front of me. So this with some straw at the bottom became his new abode. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air, an exhibition that attracted curious crowd onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Now if a bag suddenly starts jumping, or rolling on the floor, what will people think? What is there inside the bag? It will look surprising, people will always stare at it. Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur, but while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out from the bag and gave the ticket collector a wide grin. He smiled at the ticket collector. Oh my God. The poor man was taken aback, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you. You will have to pay for it accordingly." So he thought it's a dog or something. He didn't pay it so much of attention. In vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Now, what's a quadruped? Do you know what's a quadruped? Think and tell me. What's a quadruped? You all don't know what's the meaning of quadruped. Oh my God. What is a monkey? Monkey is like a human being, right? It's got two hands and two legs. A quadruped is with animal with four legs. So it doesn't come under the quadruped. For quadruped, four-legged animals, you have to pay money in the train, and if you carry a dog in the train, you have to pay first class charges. You have to travel by AC. But before, people used to carry their animals with them, but you had to pay for the ticket also. You have to pay for a full ticket. So Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, and 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. But the ticket collector already said that this is a dog, it's not a monkey. So again, so story, people how at that point of time, so he thought he was not, he was in the bag, so he was not able to see him. So he said, okay, fine. Then grandfather just took at his own back, took from his pocket our pet tortoise, and said, what must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals? The ticket collector looked closely at the tortoise, prodded it with its forefinger, gave grandfather a pleased and triumphant look, and said, no charge, it's not a dog. So railways only think about dogs, so that ticket collector must have been not so educated, but only he knew that only for dogs I am supposed to charge, nothing else. But what to charge for a tortoise, that's nothing, it's in the pocket, so you can go with it. But Toto was in the bag and he thought it was a dog, four-legged, but his grandfather tried to convince him. He said, what the heck, let's give this 3 rupees and finish off. So and he showed the tortoise that when you're charging for animals, you want to charge me for this also? He said, no, it's okay, fine. Okay, so this is till here. We are going to keep it. Tomorrow I'll come back and explain the rest, and I'll give you the notes and the question answers also solved. Stay home, stay safe, and please do take care of yourself, and I'll come back in the next video, right? And explain it to you. Hold on, I'm not going anywhere. I'm coming back in the next video. I said I'm keeping it till here. I'll come back in the next video.